Ride your whims. I don't have a bike. Through hoops. And enough points before time runs out. Oh, diamond. Okay, sure, whatever. I can do that. Let's go. Whatever. Just put me in. Put me in, coach. I'll get some stuff done and grab something to eat before work, so I'll be lucky. Thank you so much. Enjoy your luck. I hope you have some nice relaxings before work. It's very important. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Oh, okay, wait, I have to steer. I'm not very good at steering. Can I go quicker? Hurry up. I'm not good at steering. Hurry up. Wait, driving bikes is hard. Oh. She's driving again, it's over. I'm a good driver, thank you very much, Lee. Rick. How many points do I need to win? Oh, you can like change the direction of your bike like mid-air. Okay, so can I like bunny hop to change my direction quickly? That's a bit too advanced for me. No! No! Is that the last one? I'm gonna scream. I can get it. It's only 5 seconds. Go, 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 go. Oh wait, I won. Never mind. Wait, I think that was the last one. Are you serious? Oh. Congratulations, you're perfect. Never mind, that was perfect. That wasn't the last one. Who cares? I got the last one. Whatever I decide is the last one is the last one. Haha. Keep any blinks every perfect clear. Don't. Yeah, dear. No, I don't want to do that. Literally, I am Adam Driver. Okay, I did that. What else do I do? What do you want from me? Let's go exploring over here more. There's a quest over here. Oh, there's like a town. Wait, yeah, let's go over here. Confirm. Oh wait, I need to track it. Track. Okay, off we go, walk by time, and then untrack. Cool. Let's put this on. It's so pretty. It's so annoying. I have everything I need for this outfit except for like the earrings, I think. Yeah, the earrings and the cuffs. And the fairy outfit, the only thing I need is the dress, and that's that hurts my soul. Thank you, Haru. Let me up. Let me up. Ooh. Gimme. It's really fucked up. It really is. Okay. Ooh, why is my phone not having? Why are we barking? Got a good amount of stuff. It doesn't feel impossible to get it. Yeah, no, it'll be fine. I'll get it. Ooh, the cloud riding. Oh, I nearly just fell off. Where's my cloud? Oh. God, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, okay, it's fine. Shh. Oh my god, stop. That was so nerve-wracking. I nearly fell off of that every single time. We win. My poor throat, ow. I need sippy. Slap. Okay. Slam your button. Oh, wait, there's beetles in it. Give me the beetles. Give me the beetles. Where you going? Get back here. And you, come here. There's a wind star. Where? What did I press? I don't want to press that. Done that. Okay, let's go. I'm literally Goku. A fishy. Okay, where can I? Let's go over here. Fish time. No, get back here. My fishy, my fishy, my fishy. Oh, you're fishing as well?